and Daddy ate last night. Chicken and green beans. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What are you looking at your daddy? Come on. Come on. Come on, it's chicken and green beans. It's yummy. Yum, yummy. How about pears? How about pears?
Video evidence that the child prefers dessert. You're rotten, Andrew.
Do you see what your son is doing? Green beans? Green beans and chicken?
Yeah, it wouldn't be so funny if it was like one bite does all it takes to do it.
Green beans.
So Mama, quit messing with me.
You know you're gonna go on America's Funniest Home Videos, right? Oh, you like that?
He gets it from you.